How can I access the App Store on my old Apple TV?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to be talking about how to access the App Store on your old Apple TV. Many of you might think it's impossible or tricky, but with a few easy steps, you'll be browsing the App Store in no time.
Is your Apple TV compatible?
The first thing you should know is that not all Apple TV models have the App Store. If your Apple TV model is a 4th generation or later, or the Apple TV HD and Apple TV 4K models, then it has an App Store. Unfortunately, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd generation Apple TVs do not have access to the App Store.
Locating the App Store on compatible Apple TVs.
If you do have a 4th generation or later model, you're in luck. Here's how you can find and access the App Store. 1. Turn on your Apple TV and make sure it is connected to the internet. 2. From the home screen, navigate using your remote until you find the App Store icon. 3. Select the App Store icon to open it. Now you're in the App Store and ready to browse or download apps.
What if my Apple TV model is older?
If your Apple TV is a 3rd generation or earlier model, it's important to note that these models do not support the App Store. They come preloaded with a selection of channels but don't allow for the addition of new ones through an App Store. However, Apple occasionally provides updates that add new channels to these models. That wraps up our guide on how to access the App Store on your old Apple TV. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Remember, if your Apple TV is 4th generation or later, you can access the App Store right from your home screen. But if it's 3rd generation or earlier, it does not have access to the App Store. Thank you for watching, and happy streaming!